In Middle Georgia Regional Airport, a runway widening and extension project was underway to support larger aircraft and more traffic. That meant addressing a large drainage structure under the existing runway. 3 CMP culverts at 120 inches in diameter, with a total combined length of 2,000 feet, ran directly beneath the active runway and required rehabilitation per the runway expansion engineered plans. Utility asset management was approached to provide a solution that avoided dig and replace and also kept the runway fully operational through the culvert rehabilitation. The Trenchless solution extended the life of the culverts by 75 to 100 years. Utility asset management rehabilitated the existing culverts using a hand-sprayed CCCP structural lining system. The rehabilitation followed the engineer design specifications for the runway expansion project. Throughout the project, the runway stayed fully operational. Utility asset management coordinated closely with airport staff and the prime contractor, maintaining safety, access, and schedule flow. The entire rehabilitation was completed 3 weeks ahead of schedule to engineered specifications, with zero runway disruptions, and saving the airport millions of dollars with trenchless technology. Got a challenging infrastructure project? Call Utility Asset Management today for your free assessment.